Good morning everyone. In the next term we will start the new chapter nutrition, chapter number 10. The nutrition means the supply of the nutrients, or we can say the supply of essential organic and inorganic chemical compounds. As we know, the nutrients are chemical compounds. What are they? Carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins and minerals. As the minerals are inorganic substance, the carbohydrate, fat, protein are organic chemical compounds. So we take these nutrients in the food. So what is food? Any substance which we eat or drink. The milk can be a food. The juices can be a food. Contain nutrients. Which contain nutrient. Any nutrients can be included in a food. What is balanced diet? The balanced diet is the supply of nutrients, or the combination of the diet which contain all the principal nutrients. The combination of diet which contain all these nutrients in proper quantity. In proper quantity. The supply of all the nutrients in a proper quantity for a particular person. For a particular person. The balanced diet depends upon the different factors. It means we mention the particular person. The child needs less diet than the adult. The pregnant lady, the lactating mother needs more diet. Then the table worker needs the less diet than the hard worker or labor. So the balanced diet of a particular person depends on the four factors or the following factor. Number 1, age. Age of a person. The small children need the less diet, less calories than the adult. Then the next of the sex of a person, the male and female. The female need the less diet than the male. Next, the lifestyle. A table worker can be there, a farmer is there, a sportsman is there. So as we know, the hard worker, the sportsman, the farmers need the more calories or the more balanced diet. Next, the last one, the special need of a person. Special need of a person. For example, the lactating mother can be there, a pregnant lady can be there, a sick person can be there. They need much more calories than the normal person. So this is the definition of nutrition, food, balanced diet, and the factors on which the balanced diet depend. All the living beings, either plants, animals, human beings, children, all needs the food. All need the nutrition. So nutrition, why we take diet, why we take food, why is nutrition necessary? So the nutrition is necessary for the growth of a person. The growth of a person, the 6 main purpose of the nutrition. The main purpose is growth. As we know, the egg, the starting of the living organism is egg. The single cell organism that grows into an adult. The zygote, then the fetus, then the young one. the growth can be occurred by the addition of new cells, and the new cells formation energy is needed, and the energy comes from the nutrition. Next, second one, the repair. The repair of the worn out tissue, the repair of the injured tissues, they are replaced by nutrition, or the different nutrition provide the proteins can be there to repair. Number third, the growth is there, the energy. For every work we need energy, and energy we get from the nutrition, nutrients. Which nutrient provide the energy? Carbohydrate and fat. So every single work for the internal organ, for the body movement, we need energy. And the next one, the maintenance of chemical composition of cell. The cell contain the protoplasm. The cell contain the chemicals. The protoplasm contain the chemicals. So for the proper functioning of the cell, maintenance of the cell component is necessary. And the next one, the provision, the diet provide the nutrients, provide the raw material for the formation of substances. The provider raw material. For example, energy. For example, the enzymes are formed within the body that we not take from outside. The hormones formed within the body, and the other digestive juices, other antibodies produced inside the body. For these, the nutrients are necessary. So, for the nutrients provide the raw material for the different substances that form within the body. And the next one is protection. Protection from what? The protection from the disease causing germ. Protection from the deficiency diseases. As we know, the vitamins and minerals are called protective food. If there deficiency in the body, we will suffer by many deficiency diseases like night blindness, scurvy, anemia, etc. So the purpose of the nutrition is growth, repair, energy, maintenance of cell composition, raw material for the cell compounds, and the protection. Now we discuss the different nutrients in detail, their role and their composition in our body.